Hello friends, today in this video let me show you how to create file share in Azure Storage account. So basically as part of this video tutorial we are going to discuss two simple approaches to do this. One is how we can use Azure portal to do this, and the second approach will be we can also use PowerShell command to do that. Okay, and the second approach is we can also use PowerShell command to create the file share for your Azure Storage account. Now, without making any delay, what I'll do is I will just log into my Azure portal. I will show you the first approach, and followed by that, we will also discuss the second approach. Now, let me navigate to the portal. You can able to see I have already logged into my Azure portal. So for that, what you need to do, you need to search your storage account. Once you will log into the portal, just search your storage account and you will see the storage accounts link under these services. Click on that. The moment you will do that, you will see all your storage account that are you have created already, right? The list of storage account you can able to see it here. For me, there is only one storage account, that is Azure Lessons. Okay, so that's why I'm able to see only one. Click on the storage account name, and then what you can do, you can just on the left navigation you can able to see this data storage, right? Just expand that node and then you can able to see the file shares, and then finally what you need to do, just click on the file share button plus file share, right? Click on that, and here you need to provide a name for your file share. I will say Azure Lessons, so I will make it small letter, Azure Lessons FS, right? So this is my file share name, and then access tier, you need to choose whatever you want, right? If you'll see here, there is a cool tier, there is a hot tier, and then transaction optimize. This is the lowest transaction cost. Okay, so for me, I just need to choose this, and you can choose hot or cool or even premium if it is available for you. Okay, just choose the access tier, and then what you need to do, you can go to the backup as well. See if I'll go and click on the next column backup button, you're able to see it here. These are the default settings, right? Enable backup is it is checked already, it is selected. If you want to disable, you can disable it, but for me I just want to go with the default option. Okay, so better to go with the default option whatever it is telling, right? Because what it is telling, Azure backup protects your file share from accidental deletion, right? It is always suggested to enable the backup in case any issue is there with your file share, so that you can recover it, right? And then recover service vault, you can either create new one, click on the create new, and select the new one, or else you can choose the select existing. I Since I have a vault already, it is vault 196, I am going with the existing one. And then backup policy again, if you want to edit the policy you can edit it, otherwise if you want to go with the default option you can go with the default option as well. Okay, it's up to you. Now you just click on the next column review button, and the moment you will do that you can able to see it is showing us now validation failed. We will click on this to check the, so the error I am getting because this vault that we have selected, it is logged maybe. This is the reason I'm getting this error. So for that what I can do, I'll go to the backup. I'll select the create new, and I will choose this. I will just try creating a new vault. Okay, I will now, this is the vault name. I just want to keep the default vault. Okay, and this is the resource group for that. And I will just go to the next review button again. So this time I just went with a new vault. You can able to see now it is validation passed, and now I can create it. Okay, so basically that vault was logged. I might have logged that vault, so I need to unlock it and I need to select the the same vault, but instead of that, what I done is I created one new vault. Okay, the default one. I mean, with the default name and all, and then it allowed me. You can able to see it is validation passed now. Okay, now finally, what you need to do, you can just click on the create button. You can able to see it is successfully created now. This is the Azure lessons is a phase that we have created, right? So you can able to see it is successfully created now. Okay, and if I'll go here also, I can able to see it here under that particular storage account. I can able to see this. This is the file share that we have created just now. Okay, so this is the first approach, guys. How we can use the Azure portal. And the second approach is what you can do. We can in the PowerShell. We can also use the PowerShell command that I have already written here. I will just show it to you. I will just try explain from here and I will execute it. We'll see whether we can able to create or not using PowerShell. Okay, so basically this is the storage context, guys, that we need to pass along with this new Azure storage here. This is the this is the main command that we have to use here to create the file storage, that is new hyphen Azure storage here. Okay, along with that, we need to pass the name of the file share. Okay, this is I'm telling that it is paste share new. This is the name for my file share, and this is the storage context I need to pass. This is compulsory. You have to pass these two parameter along with this new hyphen Azure storage share. Now coming to the storage context, those who are very new, we have to use your new hyphen Azure storage context. Okay, this is the command, and along with that, the storage account name we have to pass. Okay, and then storage account key. And for this, from where you will get these two value, I will just go to the portal again and I will show it to you. You can able to see. You can get the storage account name from here. Okay, and then for this key, what you can do, you can go to this security plus networking node. You just expand that and then click on the access keys. The moment you will do that, you can able to see key 1 and key 2 here, right? You will click on the show any of the key, you can get it. For me, I have taken the key 1. Okay, so click on the show button. You can able to see the key here. Now you can click on the copy to clipboard. Click on that. You can able to see it is copied now. Then go to the PowerShell ISC and paste this key here. Okay, the complete key is here. You can able to see it here, right? Now this is the complete command, guys. If I'll execute now, let me just execute it. Okay, basically this name, it is telling it is not valid because you know what, I have used here a capital letter. That's the reason it is not allowing me. Just to check, if I'll make it small. Okay, now the name is new, but n is small now. Okay, so basically it will not allow any capital letter to for the name of the file share. That is the restriction from Microsoft, right? So if I'll execute now, 100% it will work. You can able to see now we got the expected output, guys. This is the file endpoint name. Okay, and this is the name that is created now. This is the quota and last modified. All these details are here. So basically it is successfully created now. You can able to see it here, right? Now just to verify that, what you can do, we will just refresh this, whether it is created or not. We will check that, right? Now, if you remember, I told you just to expand this data storage and click on the file shares, and here it is. You can able to see here. Earlier there were two. Now this is the test share new that we have created. Okay, so this is created successfully now. So this is how you can use PowerShell command to create the file share for your Azure storage account. And we have also discussed how we can use Azure portal to create the file share for your storage account. That's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to create file share in Azure Storage account, and these are the two simple approaches you can utilize to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video a little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free Azure tips, different helpful Azure PowerShell commands, Azure CLI commands, SQL Server tips, and many more. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.